Edison Nation, good to see you again. We're here to talk science. This is part 2 of the Mr. O Science series, and we're going to talk today about the scientific method. Scientific method, we just have to know. This is a process that you're going to use throughout your lifetime, and to help us memorize the scientific method, we're going to go through some hand gestures just like we did for the design process. The first thing you have to do if you're exploring some scientific concept, you start out with a question. Science is all about questions and answers, but mostly questions. Start with a question. Next, after that, is do background research. Just like in the design process, you have to have knowledge and information to help you further explore and better understand things in our physical universe. The next part after that is construct a hypothesis. So we'll begin with a question, background research, construct a hypothesis. It comes from you. That's why it's from your chest area. And after that, we test our hypothesis. We test our hypothesis to make sure we prove that hypothesis or disprove it. It could be equally as important. It's okay to fail when you're exploring or using the scientific method. That's a natural part of the science process. Finally, after that, we analyze our data. So information we either observed and accumulated in one form or another. We analyze it and connect it back to our hypothesis. Is our hypothesis true or is it false? And that's okay. Again, it's all right to just prove something you might have thought was true. Finally, you report your results or communicate results with others and share that knowledge with others. Science is all about sharing knowledge, sharing information. And so let's review all the steps. We begin with asking a question, doing background research, construct a hypothesis, test that hypothesis, analyze your data, and report your results. That's the scientific method, guys. Thanks for listening.